Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. So today has been kind of an experimental day for me because I tested out a new memory foam sponge and I am wearing foundation for like the first time this month. If you want to see how I did my base products, then I will leave it linked up in a card for you, and also my opinion of the sponge and where it came from and how I got it. So today I used the Zodiac Love Signs and the Zodiac palette to create two separate looks. One palette is one eye, one palette is the other eye, and I did use the same mascara and liner top and bottom on both eyes, and I tried to keep the shape as similar as possible. These are the two looks that I came up with. This is technically look 11 and look 12. So, and this is out of my series of 14 looks that I'm doing using similar color schemes with these two palettes. Now, I did look 9 and 10 in a live stream, and looks 1 through 6 are already up on my channel. 7 and 8 I have either just edited and haven't uploaded yet, or they still need to be edited. So look 7 and 8 is coming, but look 9 and 10 I did in a live stream the other day when I did a get ready with me. So you've probably already seen that if you watched the live stream. I did hair first and then makeup. So this is the finished makeup look with everything, and I will make sure, like always, I will link everything down below. If you like the look, let me know which one you like better, whether the one that has more pink in it or the one that has more purple in it. And then, of course, I tell you which palette I'm using. But if you like these little like tutorial videos where I don't talk a whole lot through it and I speed it up, or I'll do a voiceover, I will leave a card linked up in the top. So click that and go and vote and let me know whether or not you like these shorter, 15-minute or less videos. Not only are they so much faster for me to upload off my phone, but they are so much easier to edit and get up. And you are getting two looks with one video instead of me doing one look with both eyes and then coming back another time and then recording one look with both eyes. I kind of like watching videos with two looks done like this. I know Raw Beauty Christie just did one the other day. It was like the first time I'd ever seen a bigger influencer use this technique, and I kind of wish more people would, just like recording with close-ups of just the eye makeup so you can really see what is going on. But if you like these, please let me know in the comment section below, or or give me a like. But hopefully you like this, and if you do, then keep watching. I will show you how I do one look 11 and look 12. So in this look that I'm going to be doing, I'm using just the BH Cosmetics Love Signs palette, and I'm going to be taking the Aries matte shade, which is that hot pink, and I'm going to lightly tap it on my eye first and then blend. Done a blown out pretty much pink look, and I'm taking kind of a fluffier packing brush in the Sagittarius shade, which is kind of like a brownish purple, and I'm going to be stamping that in my crease. shader brush, a flat shader brush. I'm going into the Gemini Shimmer, which is that hot pink shade. And with whatever is left over on the brush, I'm just kind of dragging it out to the corner. With another little shader brush, I went into the Aries Shimmer, and I'm going to put that under my eye, my inner corner, and then on my brow bone. And then whatever's left over on the brush, I'm going to tap it in the center of my lid. And this is wet. I'm going to take my finger and just press it. Okay, and to finish off this eye, I used the Stila, if I can pick it up, Huge Lash Mascara. I used the Bright Now from Aero Enhanced on my waterline, and then the Milani Eye Tech Extreme on just my top line above my lash line. I did not do my upper waterline for this eye. And then I will come closer so that you can see this look up close. This is using the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Love Sign, and I used Sagittarius, Aries, Sagittarius and Aries matte shades, the Gemini and Aries shimmers out of here to create this look. This eye is going to be with the BH Cosmetics regular palette, and I'm going to be starting off with the Leo matte shade in my crease. I'm trying to match this shape to this shape that I have going on over here, which is kind of like a blown out look. Okay, I think I've got it to where I want it. Now I'm taking the Taurus matte shade, and I'm going to be working that in the crease and onto the outer V as well, and then going up underneath my lash line with the same shade. Taking the Libra shimmer shade out of here, and I'm going to be putting that on the inner third of my lid, and then whatever's left on the brush, I'll drag it out to the corner. Now I'm taking the Taurus shimmer shade, and I'm going to put that under my eye, on my inner corner, and then on my brow bone, and then tap some in the very center. Basically mimicking what I did on this eye over here, but just using different colors. I realized my brush wasn't damp enough. Just gotta dab the water out of the sink. I'm just gonna take my finger and press it on the lid. So this is the finished look up close. It's a little bit further down here than I wanted it to be, but it's close enough to the other side. Now for liner and mascara. Okay, I did the same liner and mascara combo that I did on this eye. So I used the Eye Tech Extreme from Milani on the top, and then in my waterline I put the Aero Enhanced Bright Now and the Stila's Huge Lash Mascara on my lashes. I think it turned out really good. It's kind of, they look kind of similar even though they're from two separate eyeshadow palettes. This one I started off with a pink base, and then there's hot pink on the lid, but there's like this dark plummy purple, this really rich like eggplant purple in the crease on this eye, whereas this eye here was purple and then maroon with a hint of like beige on the lid. So it's funny how looking at them up close and looking at the mirror, yes, this one definitely looks more purple, this one looks more pink, but they're very, very similar looks. So all in all, I really like how they turned out. I just threw on a lip color. I realized I wasn't wearing one. So this eye is just the regular Zodiac palette. This one is the Zodiac Love Signs palette. I did use 4 shades from each palette on the eyes, and I tried to keep the shapes very similar. I know in some of my other videos that I've used doing one palette against the other, I've done one eye differently than the other, or like one is kind of like tight to my eye, and then one of them is like really winged out, and one of them is like blown out, and one's winged out. So just trying to do something that's similar. Hopefully you guys like this. If you do, then give me a thumbs up down below. Feel free to leave me a comment, and if you'd like to be a subscriber, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys in another video very soon. I do upload daily at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so I will see you in the next video. So I will see you later. Bye.